Black holes are among the most misunderstood objects in the universe. They're often seen as these fierce cosmic beasts that totally rule the skies. Black holes are actually just a cool result of gravity doing its thing, you know? They follow the same physical laws as everything else in the universe. Understanding black holes helps us understand space, time, and reality itself. They're not just some wild science fiction ideas. They're real possibilities, you know? They're based on Einstein's theory of relativity, which totally changed how we see space. Astronomers have actually been keeping a close eye on them, and it's pretty cool. Black holes are super extreme, but let's be real, they're not magical at all. To really get them, we've got to wrap our heads around gravity first. A black hole is an object with gravity so strong that nothing can escape it. It's not about light, matter, or even radiation, it's all about the vibes. This happens because an enormous amount of mass is compressed into a tiny space. The smaller the space, the more intense the gravity feels. Eventually, gravity becomes so intense that escape is impossible. This boundary, known as the event horizon, is where things get really wild. Once something crosses that line, there's no going back. From the outside, the black hole looks totally frozen in time. Inside, physics gets a bit wobbly and things just don't add up. Black holes are one of the coolest mysteries in science. Most black holes begin their lives as massive stars. These stars are many times heavier than our sun. They burn through their fuel much faster. When fuel runs out, gravity takes over. The outer layers explode in a supernova. The core collapses even further. If the core is massive enough, it becomes a black hole. No force can stop this collapse. A new black hole is born. This process has happened billions of times across the universe. Not all black holes are the same. The smallest are stellar black holes. They form from collapsing stars. Then there are supermassive black holes. They are millions or billions of times heavier than the sun. Every large galaxy appears to have one. There may also be intermediate black holes. These are harder to detect. Black holes span an enormous range of sizes, but all obey the same laws of physics. Black holes are often imagined as cosmic vacuum cleaners pulling everything toward them. This idea is completely wrong. From a distance, a black hole behaves like any other object with mass. Gravity depends only on mass, not on whether something is a black hole or a star. If the sun were replaced by a black hole with the same mass, Earth would not be pulled inward. Earth would continue orbiting exactly as it does now. A black hole only becomes dangerous when you get extremely close. Most of space around a black hole is perfectly safe. Black holes don't chase matter through the universe. They simply sit where gravity has placed them. Only objects that cross a very close boundary are truly lost. Every black hole has a boundary where escape becomes impossible. This boundary is called the event horizon. Once something crosses it, it can never return. Nothing unusual happens to the falling object right then. But to a distant observer, time appears to slow down. Light itself struggles to escape the black hole's gravity. This bending of light creates the black hole's shadow. The shadow appears much larger than the black hole itself. What lies beyond the horizon remains hidden forever. The event horizon marks the edge of human knowledge. Time does not flow at the same rate everywhere in the universe. Gravity directly affects how fast time passes. Near a black hole, gravity becomes extreme. To a distant observer, time near the event horizon appears to slow almost to a stop. But to the object falling in, time feels completely normal. Both perspectives are correct at the same time. This effect is predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. Black holes make time dilation impossible to ignore. They prove that time is flexible, not absolute. Near black holes, reality itself behaves differently. What happens inside a black hole is still unknown. Physics predicts that all matter collapses inward. At the center, there may be a singularity. A singularity is where density becomes infinite. This area just doesn't fit our current equations. Space and time may behave in unfamiliar ways there. We cannot observe anything beyond the event horizon. That makes black holes perfect laboratories for extreme physics. They push our understanding of reality to its limits. Inside a black hole, the universe hides its deepest secrets. Black holes are not completely eternal. Over extremely long periods, black holes lose energy. This process is called Hawking radiation. It happens because of quantum effects near the event horizon. Most of this radiation is incredibly weak. For massive black holes, evaporation is extremely slow. This process takes far longer than the age of the universe. But eventually, even black holes shrink. In the far future, black holes will disappear completely. Nothing in the universe lasts forever. The universe will not always look the way it does today. Over time, the universe continues to expand. As space expands, galaxies grow more isolated. Star formation will eventually come to an end. Existing stars will slowly burn out and fade away. Black holes will remain long after most stars are gone. They may become the most massive objects left. But even black holes are not permanent. Over unimaginable time, they will disappear. The universe grows quieter and darker with time. Black holes are not just cosmic curiosities. They represent the most extreme form of gravity in the universe. They push physics to its absolute limits. They test our understanding of space and time. They reveal where our current theories break down. They help scientists search for new laws of nature. They shape galaxies and influence cosmic evolution. They connect the smallest scales to the largest structures. Studying black holes helps us understand how the universe really works. They show us the limits of reality itself. Black holes are not destroyers of the universe. They are natural results of gravity. They follow the same physical laws as everything else. They challenge our intuition, not physics. They reveal how extreme the universe can become. They show us the limits of knowledge. They remind us how small we are, and how vast the universe truly is. Black holes are windows into reality, and the universe is stranger than we imagine.